Did you know that around 1 billion people worldwide have vitamin D deficiency? Yes, you heard that right. 1 billion! Now that's not just a number, it's a silent epidemic sweeping across the globe, irrespective of age, gender, or geographical location. Now you might be wondering, what is vitamin D and why should I care? Well, let's dive right in. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is a crucial nutrient our bodies need. It's unique because it's the only vitamin our bodies can produce on their own, but only with enough exposure to sunlight. But here's the catch. Even with the sun shining bright above us, many of us are not getting the amount we need. And this deficiency isn't something to brush off. Vitamin D plays a critical role in our health, influencing everything from our bone strength to our mood, immune system, and even our heart health. Picture this. It's like the oil in your car. Without it, things start to break down, wear out, and before you know it, the engine's smoking, and you're stranded on the side of the road. That's how vital vitamin D is to our bodies. But unlike a smoking engine or a flat tire, vitamin D deficiency isn't always obvious. It's an insidious enemy that creeps up on you. You don't feel it until it's already there, silently impacting your health in ways you wouldn't imagine. What's more alarming is that despite its widespread prevalence, it often goes undiagnosed and untreated. Why? Because the signs are subtle and can easily be mistaken for other health issues. So we're left with a billion-dollar question. How do we tackle this silent epidemic? Knowledge, my friends, is our first line of defense. Understanding the signs of vitamin D deficiency, its impacts on our health, and ways to prevent it can make a world of difference. Now you might be wondering, how do I know if I'm part of this statistic? Well, that's what we're here to discover. Stay tuned as we shine a light on this silent epidemic and uncover the 30 signs of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency isn't called the silent epidemic for nothing. It often goes unnoticed until it's too late. You see, our bodies are incredibly adept at compensating for minor imbalances. And so, the signs of this deficiency can be subtle, almost invisible, mimicking other health issues, or even being brushed off as just feeling a bit off. This invisible enemy can manifest in ways that are often overlooked. It might be that constant fatigue you've been blaming on your hectic schedule, or the persistent low mood you've attributed to the gloomy weather. It could be the recurring colds you've been having, or that stubborn wound that just won't heal. All these seemingly unrelated symptoms might be your body's silent cry for more vitamin D. The danger of this invisibility lies in its subtlety. When we don't recognize these signs early, we allow this deficiency to linger unchecked, potentially leading to more severe health issues down the line, like osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, and even certain types of cancer. But here's the fascinating part. Despite its stealthy nature, this deficiency is incredibly common. In fact, it's estimated that 1 billion people worldwide have low levels of this crucial vitamin. That's more than twice the entire population of the United States. And yet, it's often overlooked, underestimated, and underdiagnosed. The good news is, we have the power to change this narrative. Simple lifestyle changes like spending more time outdoors and incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into our diet can make a world of difference. We can arm ourselves with knowledge and learn to recognize the signs early, enabling us to take proactive steps towards better health. So, why is this important? Because understanding your body, its needs, and its signals is the first step towards maintaining your health and well-being. It's about taking control of your health, about not letting this invisible enemy dictate your life. And that's why we're here today, to shed light on this often overlooked health issue and to arm you with the knowledge you need to fight back. So let's dive into the 30 signs of vitamin D deficiency. Sign 1, persistent fatigue. It's not just about feeling tired, it's a constant nagging exhaustion that doesn't seem to lift, no matter how much rest you get. This could be your body crying out for vitamin D. This vital nutrient is crucial in energy production, and a deficiency can leave you feeling persistently worn out. It's like trying to drive a car with no fuel. But don't fret, there's hope yet. Moving on to sign 2, frequent illness. Recognizing these signs is only the first step in combating vitamin D deficiency. It's akin to spotting an iceberg in the distance. You've found the issue, but there's more beneath the surface. What lies beneath are the potential health risks that could be lurking if left unchecked. Sure, you might be thinking, I'm feeling a bit tired, maybe it's just the change in seasons, Or I've been feeling down, but everyone has their off days. While these thoughts are natural, they can also be misleading. Many of the signs we've discussed can be symptoms of other health issues as well, some of which might be more serious than a simple deficiency. Consider this. Feeling tired could be a sign of anemia, or constant mood swings might indicate a hormonal imbalance. Lower back pain might be a symptom of kidney problems, and frequent infections could point towards a weakened immune system. The list goes on. The point being, self-diagnosis can lead us down the wrong path, causing us to overlook serious health issues. That's why it's crucial to get a professional diagnosis. Not to scare you, but to ensure you're tackling the right problem with the right solution. Doctors and medical professionals are trained to differentiate between symptoms and their possible causes. They have the tools and knowledge to provide an accurate diagnosis and recommend the most effective treatment. Getting checked is not just about finding out if you have a vitamin D deficiency, it's about understanding your body and its needs. It's about taking control of your health and well-being. It's about not leaving things to chance, but rather making informed decisions. And remember, early detection is key. The sooner you identify a health issue, the easier and more effective the treatment can be. It's not about living in fear, but about living with awareness and taking proactive steps towards your health. So, if you're experiencing any of the signs we've discussed, don't just brush them off. Make an appointment with your healthcare provider. Get checked. Because when it comes to your health, there's no such thing as overreacting. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now that we've learned about the 30 signs of vitamin D deficiency, what's the next step? Well, knowledge is power, but it's only powerful when you take action. If you identified with multiple signs we've discussed, it's crucial to consider getting your vitamin D levels checked. Remember, vitamin D deficiency is a silent epidemic. It's an invisible enemy that can wreak havoc on your health if left unchecked. You can easily get your vitamin D levels checked with a simple blood test. This small step can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. It's not just about preventing deficiency, it's about fostering a lifestyle that prioritizes health above all else. Don't let the sun set on your health. Be proactive. Understand that your health is your wealth. It's time to step into the light and make sure your body has the vitamin D it needs to function at its best. Don't be part of the statistic. Take charge of your health today. Get your vitamin D levels checked.